cow! All right, what's up guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC, and I'm at a new park today. Buddy's got the rebuilt Super Baja Rey, and I've got my rebuilt Tekno ET after my ridiculously bad crash. So I went through the whole truck. I replaced this with one of these all racing top aluminum steering plates and the M2C brand new rear shock tower. So we're gonna give it a rip. All right, we got all kinds of cars out now.
Well, I gotta make sure you get a shot of that again.
There you go, there you go. Oh yeah, let go. Oh!
Hang on. Thanks, Robert.
Let me know when you're gonna go, Aaron.
All right, well, I need Robert to, it's good, watch out. All right, Robert, come back over here. All right, I'm gonna go.
I'm gonna try. How do you stick your landing?
You have to hit the brake.
I want to try to get this. I'm the tallest truck here. I'm proud to be the tallest truck here.
Oh, I missed it completely.
Wow, that thing's fast.
Yeah. All right, go for it, Ben. Robert, you go. Hit it. Let go, let go. There you go. Go for it, Ben. All right, I can give you a little more speed. You're doing good. There you go. Oh, there you go.
This is the fastest truck in the car.
Oh. All right, go ahead, Robert. Do it. All right. Jeez, I had to jump over it. I'll get you set back up, Ben.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
It's a little bit of chaos. Whoa. Yeah. Robert's being a maniac.
Now you guys need to go up to Silver Lake and rent a dune buggy and go up in the sand hill and do this for real.
Yeah, that would be cool, huh?
I can't reverse.
All right, that's the end of our park run. We had a good time. All these boys tearing up the baseball field over there.
This thing.
Yeah, that thing's pretty big animal there. They all had a good run. So we'll catch you guys next time.